Good evening. Welcome to Open House virtually this year. I'm really sorry I didn't get a chance to meet you face to face. I really enjoy meeting my students' parents, but given our circumstances, we're doing it online once again. So I'm just going to take a moment to explain a few things that are important to the course. And if you have any questions, I'd like to encourage you to reach out to me, preferably by email. So for starters, this is an AP Physics course. It is equivalent to the university system's PHY 2053 and PHY 2053L. You can earn up to 4 credits if your child passes the AP exam with a 4 or 5. And most universities will give you the lab component if you pass with a 3. So this school year, I'm preparing the students for an AP Physics exam, which is going to be cumulative over 7 units of study, equivalent to the college course. So in order for us to prepare for that, we're going to do a series of things. If your children haven't already told you, we do a lot of labs, a lot of hands-on things to enhance the learning. And then we have the other components through the assignments and the worksheets and various things, which all can be found in the textbook that I sent home during the second week of school. So your child should already have this resource at home. Now, in addition, the way the course is set up, if your children stay up on it, because this is a very difficult course, they should be okay, because every 9 weeks we have a project that they get to do as a group that is also weighted as a test. So I wanted to make sure you're aware of that. And again, if you have any questions about those things, then just send me an email. The syllabus I sent home on the first day is also on the Canvas page. It explains everything that's really imperative to the course. How do you get your extra credits? On the syllabus. How is the test formatted? It's on the syllabus. How's the grades broke down? It's all on the syllabus. And so, again, if you have questions, just reach out and let me know. But I do want to emphasize one key component. A lot of our students, I've already noticed, last year they were home, but they don't have calculators. I'm giving quizzes and tests already this year, and students say, "Do you have a calculator?" because they do not allow cell phones to be used during the quizzes and tests. So I just want to say to you, any scientific calculator will do. It doesn't have to be one of those fancy graphing calculators, but any scientific calculator will do. Physics, if you're not aware, is effectively a completely quantitative course. You're going to do a lot of mathematics from start to finish. I always tell people it's like a math class, really, with just some terms and words thrown in there. So, anyways, that's basically all the information I have for you. And again, if you have questions and want to reach out to me, my email address is written right here, carpenterc@leonschools.net, and I'll answer any of your questions or concerns. Thank you.